auscultation of heart sounds, anterior and posterior, as well as heart tone specific to valves, and abdominal sounds, all with the SmartScope. Auscultation of heart or lung sounds, heart sounds, bowel sounds, all possible with the SmartScope.
Okay. So, and ready and go.
I'm going to the abdomen next.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Keep your face out of there. Good, good.
And then down to the abdomen. Okay. Good.
Do it one more time. Yep. And go. Okay, hang on, hang on. This thing wants to move focus. Okay, one more time. Hang on. Okay, do your thing.
I'm going to go to the heart. And then down to the abdomen.
Okay, okay, and go.
Do down to the heart now. You decide which ones you want.
Okay. Okay. To his face here for a closing shot.
That's good enough on that one.